The topic for today's discussion is CSAT. Under that, the topic which will be dealing is time and work. Questions on time and work is quite cumbersome, but applying a rule of flip, it's very easy to solve any questions. Now let's understand what rule of flip is.
The rule of flip goes like this. If n days are needed to finish a particular task, so every day 1/n of the work is done for that particular task. Let's understand this with an example. I'll be considering a cake. So, if A can eat one cake in a day, the entire cake in a day, number of days required for him to finish this entire cake is 1 day. As simple as that. Suppose B can eat half a cake in a day, so he requires 2 days to finish this entire cake. Let me cut the cake into 4 parts. So C, if he can eat 1/4 of a cake in a day, so he requires 4 days to finish this entire cake. This is a simple example how this rule of flip works. Let's understand this with an example and solve a few questions. So the first problem goes like this. If worker A takes 3 hours to do a job and worker B takes 6 hours to do the same job, how long should it take both A and B working together but independently to do the same job? So here A takes 3 hours, B take 6 hours, and what they're asking is how long will it take for them to finish this task if they are working together? The question is clear, so let's solve. If A takes 3 hours to solve a particular job, so his 1 day's work will be, one hour work will be 1/3, and here for B similarly it is 1/6. So solving for this, we'll be getting 1/3 plus 1/6, and the LCM is 6, cross multiplying 2 plus 1, which is 3/6. 3 2s are 6, 1/2. If A and B work together, they can finish the task in 2 hours by applying the rule of flip. We'll be landing in 2 hours. The answer is 2 hours. Next example. It is slightly different. We'll see what's given. They are already given A and B are working together to finish a piece of work, and it is done in 4 days. Okay? Next, if A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, how many days can B alone complete that work? I hope we are clear with what is the necessity and what is given in the question. Let's solve for this. So 1/A plus B is given. We have to find out individually considering the given, which is 1/4 equals to 1/12 plus 1/B. Cross multiplying 1/12 equals to 1/B, or 12 minus 4/12 into 4, 8/12 into 4, 4 2s are 2 6 are, which is 1/6. So by applying rule of flip, we will reciprocate. We'll be getting B as 6 days. So B alone can finish the work in 6 days. Hence the answer. Next question. This is 2016 UPSC Prelims CSAT question. It states Ram and Shyam work on a job together for 4 days and complete 60% of it. So Ram and Shyam together work for 4 days, and they corresponds to 60% of the work. Fine. Ram takes leave, then Shyam works for 8 more days. So it is given Ram leaves and Shyam alone works for 8 days, which corresponds to the remaining percent, that is 40% of the work. This is the given. What they're asking, how long would Ram take to complete the entire job? So don't get confused. Together, Ram and Shyam will finish 60%, Shyam alone will do 40%. What they're saying is, if Ram alone need to work to finish this entire job, how many days are required? I hope the question is clear now. Let's solve this. So, if Ram and Shyam are working together, their one day corresponds to 60% of the work, and in one day they will be finishing 1/4 of the work, which is nothing but 4 ones are 4 5s are 20, so 15. Hence, since it's a percentage, we have to take it as by 100. 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are. This is the work done by Ram and Shyam, correspond to 60%. Now remaining 40% of the work is done by Shyam alone. So the Shyam's number would be 1/8. So solving for this, since it's a percentage, we can take it as by 100. 0 get cancelled, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, which is nothing but 1/20. So 1 day's work is nothing but 1/20. So total number of days to finish this particular job is 20 days. Clear, but the question is not solved. What they're asking is, how many days will Ram alone take to finish this entire job? This is what we are supposed to find. We know it as 1/20, 1 by Ram plus the Shyam is 20. Sorry, it is 3. Now, solving for Ram, since the denominator is same, we can easily negate it. It's 10. So Ram alone will finish this job in 10 days. Hence the answer. Yes, we have the option, that is option C. C is the right answer, that is 10 days. Thank you.